Welcome to the third installment of the series BDBlocks Learning, where we are learning about the page builder plugin and the whole set of things that we can do with it. So, on this on this video, I'm gonna talk about the builder modes. The builder modes are the type of modes that you can use to edit or create your landing page with, or also profile page or features or anything like that. These modes are available all throughout the builders. So if you're editing a landing page or if you're editing a profile page, this is gonna be shared on both features. So if you know how to use the builder mode, if you know how to use the editor mode, you're gonna be able to create whatever experience you have in mind. So let's go ahead and learn what's the difference between the editor and the builder. So the editor mode is the default mode that you get when you start creating a new page or when you are editing a page. So these are the blocks. You get the edit block button, you get the sidebar with the different blocks and their preview images. So we already used the editor mode a lot, so let's switch on to the builder mode. You can achieve that by hovering over the mode button and clicking on builder. So on the builder, we're gonna get more a less visual interpretation of the page that is gonna let us know what composes the page. So we can see the actual structure that the page is built upon, and we can add to this structure or customize it or do whatever we want with it. So it's basically the source of the page that you're creating. So each block is gonna have its own structure. You can customize the structure itself however you want, and there are a lot of tools available on this mode that are not available on the editor mode. So for example, if you're creating a nice section and you want to use it on another page, you can hover on actions, click on export build, and you're gonna get this little code that you can use to recreate this element on another page. So this is a feature that is not available on the editor mode but is on the builder mode, because the builder is more focused towards development instead of just changing text and stuff like that. So this is the mode that I use myself to create the advanced pages, because it comes with more granular elements on the sidebar. We don't get blocks, but instead we get the HTML elements that we can use. So if you want to drop a division, if you want to drop an image, a title, paragraph, anything like that, you can drop it like drag and drop, like this. Or if you want to add something, you can also use the buttons available here. So if it's kind of hard to get somewhere on the drag and drop experience, we can always click on this button, select what element which we want to use, like a list. And there we go, there's the element. So we are not limited to the drag and drop experience, but we can use this other experience as well. Both are compatible with each other. So this pretty much sums up the builder mode on a high level. On the builder mode, we also get access to other little functionalities like cloning an element. So if you click on this button, it's gonna clone the element with all its attributes. So you can customize the contents of this, but it's gonna share the style attributes of this other element. You can also import styles. So if you want to apply styles that you created on your browser, you can copy paste them here on this window and apply the properties to your element. This is very useful if you're creating the pages as a developer. And I use this a real lot, because first I make the page look like I want, and then I import the styles onto each element on the page so that it looks as I intend it to look like. And this pretty much is the builder mode. So you can minimize sections, you can add elements, you can delete elements with the X button, and you can export, import elements, and yeah, that's it. So If you need any help with the builder mode, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can use the chat button that is available down here. I just moved myself so that you can see it. And then click on the support so that you can ask questions on this chat. And I'm gonna take care of answering them for you. So yeah, thank you for watching. This was a very quick installment, which is good, I think, because we don't want to talk a lot. We just want to learn about the tool, and that's what I'm helping you figure out. So see you on the next video, which is gonna be about the profile page builder. So I'm gonna show you how it works, what you need to know so that you can create the custom profile page for your members, and yeah, give some more nice touches to your experience. See you on the next video. Ciao.